Okay, this is Callie drinking pea-flavored soda.
P-E-A, not P-E-E.
Ew.
Go.
It's like Apothecary, my drugs are quick.
Die, come on.
I'm dead. Can you stop it?
Okay, I'm gonna be Juliet.
No, wait.
No, Juliet.
On the poison.
It stops after that.
Water right here. Oh.
Hey, they did not have Juliet in Shakespearean England.
Wait, you need a dagger.
Wait, does this have sound? Okay, good.
Is this still, are you doing it? Myself. There. Stab my Oh, happy dagger. This is thy sheepdog.
You're the happiest dead bodies I've ever seen.